learned to be flexible.
It's an eye-opener.
It was an upgrading knowledge.
Act politely. Enjoying the roti.
Fantastic to know.
Perfect mind change.
Interesting, simple, to the point.
Very happy to enjoyed it.
Great learning for me.
Fun learning. Super and fantabulous.
Focus, growth, recognition.
Good, memorable, practicable.
It's an excellent training for me.
Loved the stories.
It was amazing. I really enjoyed all 3 days.
Excited to learn. Good learning for me.
Training was useful.
Learn new things.
Super and memorable events.
Brought structure to concepts.
Fantastic experience. Motivating for the entire team.
Engaging eye-opener.
Elevating learning and humbling. Thank you.
Amazing learning experience.
Motivated people makes a difference.